Hello and welcome to Sailing Turbo Garage. First time you've been here. I'm about to show you my '69 Mustang, one of my pride and joy here. In today's video, we will be going through a few things about the Mustang. I'm going to show it off a little bit, show you little things I've been doing to it over the years, and hopefully you like. At the end of the video, there will be a chance to win a couple prizes I got. So we have racing related stickers, keychains, anything under the sun. It's going to be quite the gift basket, so stay tuned. So here's my 1969 Mustang. It's been through a lot, I've done a lot to it, and I'm about to get into detail a little bit here. So what I did here in the Mustang, I took the seats out, back seats, front seats, and originally this didn't have carpet in it, but when we redid the floors and everything, I wasn't putting that old carpet back in, so I took it out, and it's been rubber coated on the inside, undercoated, as you should say. Didn't hold up the best. Just on the front, we got some ripping up of the undercoating. That's okay. You know, I'm just gonna give her over. There's really no shiny spots, no bare spots, so I'm gonna might prime some extra spots under here before I put in a new carpet and new sound deadening. This is a '69 coupe, so you're not gonna have the side armrests like you would in a fastback. So that's all that. I don't have a headliner in here yet. That's to come. But it's been functional for many years at this level. This is my speaker system I got set up. Because these cars really did not come with good speakers. They had two 6x9s, usually along the top of this, sitting right here on each side. And then they had one center speaker underneath right here. Now this is a new dash, a recovered dash, so this is, you won't see the holes here, but some of them did have a speaker coming right up here. Mine did, but I got rid of that because I wanted stereo, real stereo. Nothing as far as the gauges really work, the original gauges, so I threw in the tack, big Super Tech tack, the shift light. Basically, if you have that, you know how fast you're going by following other people. You know, 45 is certain RPM, 3.5, or 2.5, and in certain gears. So I really don't have a speedometer, but that really is my speedometer. You know, we upgraded. We got the oil pressure gauge here, and we also have temperature gauge down here. It's hidden away. I don't have actual mount spots for it. For nighttime driving, I don't have much light in here. It's completely dark, so I had to install this LED bar and then put tape over it so it didn't shine me in the face. It's only shining towards the back, so I'd be able to see everything I was doing. Right now, the radio's out. It's really going through some upgrades right now. I did have a Hurst shifter in here, the 4-speed T-handle Hurst. I pulled it out when it started whining on me and put a 3-speed in for the meantime, but I got another 4-speed that we're going to put in for this summer. So I really hate those 3-speeds. They really aren't good for street racing, street light to street light or anything. I've found out, maybe if you're in town, 1 to 45, you're really doing the true street light to street light, but most cars these days, they want to go past 45, and to keep up with them in these old beasts, you really need some more gearing. So we're putting the 4-speed back in so I can continue to haul on them. This has been my project. This is my real project. This is my baby. It used to have Thrush mufflers on it. Thrush, the cherry bombs, those suckers were loud. In high school, I loved them. In high school, it was like the thing to have, being nice and loud and fast. Wow, that's cool. But then, after high school, I'm like, man, driving this sucks because I can't hear anything at all. So I took them off. My dad convinced me. He's like, you know, I got a stock dual exhaust that came out of a Mustang, and why don't we just toss her in? You know, it'll be quieter and it'll still sound mean. So all right, let's try it out. So we threw the stock dual exhaust in. You see, I got stock manifolds on there. That's gonna have to change with this new engine sooner or later, but it'll bolt up for now. But that stock dual exhaust really quieted things down. It quieted things down real good in the cab. And also, you stand behind the vehicle, it still sounds mean as ever. I don't need, you know, cherry bombs or anything. One day I will get cherry bombs again, probably, just to swap in, or maybe some cutouts. Because I do like to have a loud sound every now and then, you know. That's what a muscle car is. I got new pistons and got the rods on them, got the rings on them. Forged pistons this time. And I gotta oil this up a bit more. Just been sitting for a minute. That is my pure joy in life, my Mustang. I love that Mustang. It's caused me a lot of trouble. It always breaks down. I always just fix it, put new parts on, and run her down the road. You race it, break it, and you fix it again. That's the lifestyle, isn't it, guys? Hey, if you like this video, why don't you go ahead and hit that like button. Maybe subscribe, and if you also share this video on your social media, or check it out, then I have a prize package that one of you will win. I'm going to be giving her away at the end of this week, so stay tuned.